This is why your Apple TV might be silent. Don't panic, we'll get your audio back fast. First, check if your TV and speakers are actually turned on. Sometimes it's as easy as making sure the volume isn't muted. Next, grab your Apple TV remote and restart the device. Just hold down the TV and menu buttons together until the light on your Apple TV starts blinking. If there's still no sound, go to Settings, then Video and Audio. Make sure audio output is set to the device you want. If you're using a soundbar or receiver, double-check the cables are secure. Still nothing. Try unplugging your Apple TV and TV from power for a full minute. Plug them back in and power up. Also, check for software updates. Go to Settings, System, and then Software Updates. An old version can cause audio bugs. If you're using Bluetooth headphones or AirPods, make sure they're connected under Bluetooth devices. Switch back to TV speakers if you prefer. Finally, if none of these steps work, try a different HDMI cable or HDMI port on your TV. Cables do go bad sometimes. There you go. Most Apple TV sound issues can be fixed with these steps. Still stuck? Reach out to Apple support for extra help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.